Hey designers, let me show you the fastest way to select layers in Figma. You might think this is a very simple topic, but the reason I'm making this is because I've still noticed people, clicking multiple times to select layers in Figma. And if you're such a person, this trick will blow your mind and it'll change how you work with Figma forever. So the game-changing trick is very simple. All you have to do is hold Command on a Mac or Control on a Windows and then start selecting your layers, and that'll make a lot of difference. So let me jump right onto my screen and show you some examples and that how it's going to help you, right? So here I have some examples from the previous video I made, and as you can see, if I want to select a name in this, I'll have to click multiple times because the layers are nested, and to reach this I probably need to click 10 times, which is really a waste of time and it's not an effective way or efficient way of dealing with it. So all you have to do is press Command, and now as you can see, I can start selecting individual layers which are even nested even 100 times inside, right? So I can easily select these, and here to give another example, you can see that there are multiple layers here, and to reach this I'll have to probably click like 10 times, and then I'm able to reach this design which is way behind and nested behind, right? So if I hold Command, you can see that I can select these layers which are just used for graphics, and you can see that I can select any layer just by holding Command. So that is the most efficient way of selecting layers in Figma. And just in case, as a backup plan, if this doesn't work, the other alternative I'm going to suggest you is going to the outline, and that's pretty simple. Just use Shift Command plus O, and that'll take you to an outline mode. Again, Shift Command O. On a Windows, it is Shift Control O, and that'll take you to this outline mode where you can then start selecting these layers independently, and it's pretty easy. And once you've selected it, just go back to the normal mode, which is again the same shortcut, Shift Command plus O, and there you go, you have that layers, right? So this also helps you in selecting logged layers as well. And by the way, if you're stuck finding a hidden layer in Figma, probably it's logged or hidden somewhere, you can check out this video which will help you find this very easily. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.